So we just purchased this ice maker, and it is meant to be making clear balls of ice so that you can put obviously in like your whiskey, your scotch, or of course anything you want. But the thing that really attracted us to it was the fact that it's meant to be clear. So we just tried this for the first time. We filled it up last night, so I have not seen it. I am opening it up with you guys. So I believe once you fill the tank, and then you just pull this out. Let's see if it's clear. Oh my goodness. Wow. They're beautiful. Normally like they're super cloudy and like, wow. I am impressed. I wonder how they do that. Yeah, obviously it's just got that frost on it, but no, super clear, and it's very cool. It comes with a little bag so that you can store the ones that you've just made in here. And then, oh, I just smacked it on top of it, so I cracked it, but that was my own fault, obviously. Very cool, they're beautiful. It works.